Iraqi Special Operations Forces refers to the Iraqi Special Forces unit created by coalition forces after the 2003 invasion. As of November 2009, the forces, directed by the Iraqi Counter-Terrorist Bureau, consist of the Iraqi Counter-Terrorist Command, which has 2 brigades subordinate to it. The Counter-Terrorist Bureau is funded by the Ministry of Defense. History: Special operations troops in the old Iraqi army were a mix between Sunni and Shia Arabs. They were mainly used on an emergency basis to carry out special missions inside of Iraq and outside when the country was in war. After the invasion in 2003, Iraqi forces were made redundant by the invasion forces, and because of this, the current Iraqi Commando Force were recruited from scratch, mostly from Shia Arabs, Kurds and few Sunni. In November 2005, after 2 years of training in Jordan with Jordanian and U.S. Army Special Forces, the Iraqi Special Operations Force had 1440 men trained, composed into 2 combat battalions and 2 support battalions. In March 2008, the force consisted of a single brigade, which in turn was made up of an Iraqi Counter-Terrorism Force battalion, 3 commando battalions, a support battalion and a special reconnaissance unit. Command structure: the 2 brigades are the 1st Special Operations Brigade, in Baghdad, with the 1st, 2nd, and 5th Battalions, a brigade support battalion and a training battalion, Iraqi Special Warfare Center and School. The 1st Battalion is the renamed Iraqi 36th Commando Battalion. The 2nd Special Operations Brigade has 4 commando battalions, 1440 men, currently at Basra, Mosul, Diyala and Al-Asat. The battalions at Basra and Mosul achieved Iraqi operational control in January 2008 and conduct local operations. Regional CT centers, similar to joint interagency task force organizations, will be established at all 4 regional commando bases to develop intelligence on terrorist networks in their region. CT pilot training: in February 2008, the Iraqi Air Force, with coalition advisors, began night vision goggle training as the basis for future counter-terrorism pilot training. Potential CT pilots and aircrew will undergo NVG flying introduction in order to select the best pilots for advanced CT aviation training as early as April 2008. Selected pilots will continue to log NVG training hours in order to attain a proficiency level that prepares them for advanced special operations specific training as early as late summer 2008. Once fielded, this special operations aviation capability will reside in the Iraqi Air Force's 15 Squadron, which currently fields Mi-17 helicopters. See also, Battle of Basra, Iraqi Army. References